And so once I have my account set up in DxQSO and I have my station set up, I'm able to send data to the station, my field day data to the station. I'm running some FT8 here. You can see under, I'm using Mac Logger and my um, station that Mac Logger is using. Sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Settings, and is location is home. So I'm using the home station here. But regardless of that, my DX-TQSL is running here. I have it set to override whatever the station name is, and I've chosen the home station as my override. And the home station is where I also have my, is where I have AWL field day set up as a contest. So if I edit this, you can see the home station is sending data to the contest event, field day 2024. And while I'm checking on my FT8 here, I'm making contacts. The last one is this OK1 station, and I look at my website, and I can see that OK1 is here. This is the FT8 data or FT8 log data that I just made. And you can see it's putting the tag on that I specified here in DxTQSL. So it's tagging that record spelled incorrectly. Let me fix that. And this is my DxTQSL. And it's sending data to the web here. And MacLogger is talking as it usually does to DX. It talks to TQSL, and in this case, it's actually DxTQSL that's taking the data and sending it. Now, I could also have it log, of course, directly to LoTW if I change my configuration and I say upload locally here. That overrides my profile setting, which is in my account for all my DxTQSLs. But in this case, for this particular installation, it would upload to LoTW, since it's got the LoTW information in here, the certificate. Looks like I made another contact, and that contact is WE8R. And if I refresh my web page here, you'll see that it's here as well, WE8R. So it's backing up to the web. And then if I want to send this data in the future, by the way, to LoTW, all I'll need to do is configure this, turn this on, and enable LoTW. I want to make sure I have a certificate loaded, which I have plenty of. I have all these right here. These are some of my test ones, but that's how it goes. So simple matter of sending data to my field day event monitoring system within DxQSO by simply configuring my DxTQSL. In another video, I'll just show how to install the DxTQSL. It's quite simple.